Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Right now we are here to present you a book about step-by-step guide for Hajj. The book is specifically for those who are comfortable at English. They will be the beneficiaries of this book. The book consists of both parts about the Hajj, Umrah Tamattu and Hajj Tamattu. Originally the book was written in Urdu and now this is the English version. It is Alhamdulillah translated by two learned scholars, Sister Samana Abid and my son Maulana Muhammad Riaz Dawdani. The book contains many images and they are colored in order to make the better understanding available for the readers. The book is written on the principle which I followed throughout my career regarding all my books, that the books will be with the reader friendly approach without any complicated word, so that a reader may not feel any burden on his shoulders. The book consists of both the parts, as I stated, Umrah Tamattu and Hajj Tamattu, and it consists of some other chapters as well, which a Haji may come across during his journey for Hajj in Medina and Makkah, regarding Etikaf, similarly the prohibitions of Ihram and the kafaras related to Ihram, and similarly some specific rulings about Makkah and Medina, about congregational prayers there, how to prostrate on the carpet, if it is allowed or not. These are the details mentioned in this book. What about the funeral prayers? How we would be offering funeral prayers there, because they offer funeral prayers with 4 takbirat and we 5. So these are the matters which are addressed in this book, and I truly believe that inshallah the book will be helpful for all the readers across the board, specifically the religious guides of the caravan. They will be the immediate beneficiaries of this book. About the price of this book, it is not very costly. Alhamdulillah, the Hajis who are going for Hajj, they spend millions of rupees for this journey. The book is going to cost only 1,000 rupees for them. So it won't be a big burden for them. It will be very easy for them to afford this book. I believe, inshallah, and I hope that all the Hajis will benefit from this book, and inshallah they will remember us in their prayers in Makkah, Medina, Arafat, Masjidun Nabawi, Jannatul Baqi, Khane Kaaba, and every sacred place. A very important acknowledgement. This book is dedicated to Mr. Mansoor Ali D. Merchant, my favorite Mansoor Mamu, who actually brought me into the service of Hujjaj and Hajj. So I am grateful to him, and I would like to dedicate this book to Janab Mansoor D. Merchant. Thank you very much.